under concept channel. I am thrilled to have you join us for session 1 on ages in quantitative aptitude. If you are aiming to sharpen your problem solving skills and ace competitive exams, you are in the right place. Today, we will dive into key concepts and tips that will make solving age related questions a breeze. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's get started and make math fast and fun. Stay tuned for more sessions. Let us move to the first question of this session. The sum of ages of 5 children born at the interval of 3 years is 50 years. What is the age of the youngest child? In this problem, it is being clearly defined that the sum of the ages of 5 students born at an interval of 3 years. That means the first children is, if you consider it as x, the second will be ultimately it is x plus 3, x plus 6, x plus 9 and x plus 12, because they are born in an interval of 3 years. If you consider it that the children are x, x plus 3, x plus 6, x plus 9 and x plus 12. These are the 5 children consecutively. Then as per the problem, the total is 50 years. That means the total of all these 5 children, that means x plus 3 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 9 x plus 12 is equivalent to 50. Solving the equation, you will get 5x is equal to 20. Ultimately x is 4. That means the x which is taken as the first child, the youngest of all this child is 4. As per the problem also, he is asking the youngest child's age. That means that is x is 4 years. The answer is A. We are moving to the second one. A is 2 years older than B, who is the twice as old as C. If the total ages of A, B and C be 27, then how old is B? That means what is the age of B? In this you might have seen that A is older than B. That means A is the older than B. A is greater than B. That is nothing but A is greater than B. And who is twice older than C? That means B is also older than C. In this, the relation is given from C. All the relations from A to C is linked with the C's age. Then we will assume C as X years. What will happen for B's age? It is defined as the twice of C's age. That means it is nothing but 2x, because we have assumed X as the C's age. And then what may be the A's age? That is 2x plus 2, because A is 2 years older than B. Already we have considered B as 2x. That means A's age will be 2x plus 2 years. As per the problem, if the total of the ages A, B, C is 27, already you have considered A is x, then it becomes B as 2x and C becomes as 2x plus 2. The total of 3 is 2x plus 2 plus 2x plus x is equal to 27. That is the solving the problem. The 5x is 25 and x is 5. The x what we have considered, x is as the age of C. What as per the problem, B's age is required for us. That means B's age is, that is 2x, that is 2 into 5, that is nothing but 10 years. The answer is C. Coming to the third one, father is aged 3 times more than his son's Raju. After 8 years, he would be 2.5 times of Raju's age. After further 8 years, how many times would be of Raju's age? In this scenario, there is a father and a Raju. Both age relation has been given. In this, Raju's age already given as, you assume it as x. What will become for father's age? As per the father's age, it is 3 times more than his son's age. That means the son is x, we have already considered. What will become? It is 3x plus already his son's age is x. That means it is 4x. In this, we will assuming as Raju's age as 6 years and the father's age will become x plus 3x. X is the age of already considered Raju's age and 3x is the 3 times greater than his son's age. That is been given in the problem itself. The total age will become is 4x. As per the problem, after 8 years, that means this is the percentage of this both of father and child. After 8 years means that becomes the 4x becomes 4x plus 8, because after 8 years that means it is 4x plus 8, and the age of the other sons is also x plus 8. In this, the relation has been given that it is a 2.5 times of Raju's age. Raju's age means his son's age. 2.5 times is nothing but 2.5. 2.5, it is nothing but 5 by 2. That is, the relation has been arrived like this: 4x plus 8 is equal to 5 by 2 of x plus 8. X is the age of the Raju. Please check out this one. This x is the age of Raju is linked with the father's age. That means 4x plus 8 is equal to 5 by 2 of x plus 8. If you solve both this equation, you will become 3x is equal to 24 and x is ultimately 8. X means the age of the Raju. In this problem, after further 8 years of age, how many times would be Raju's age? That means 4x plus 8 is the age of the father at after 8 years. After in the problem it is telling it is further 8 years. That's why we have added it with 8. For the son's age, it is already x plus 8 and we are considering for 8 years for further this one. That means it is becomes 4x means 4 into 8 plus 8 divided by, sorry, this is also one more 8 is there, divided by 8 plus 8 plus 8. Nothing but this is 24 plus 32 and 40, and this is a 48 divided by 24. That is, this is the 2. That means after this one, the age of this one is the constant is 2 times with the Raju's age. This is the answer. We are moving to the fourth question. The father said to his son, I was as old as you are in the present at the time of your birth. If the father's age is 38 years, the son's age 5 years back. Yeah, in this case, the son's age, it is, if you consider it as x, the son's age is considered as x, then father's age will be 38. That means 38 minus x is equal to x. That is 2x is equal to 38 and ultimately you will get x is as 19. This is the age of his son at present. As per the problem, the son's age 5 years back. What you have to do? Just you have to deduct from the present age of the child minus 5. That is nothing but 14 years. D is the answer. Coming to the fifth one, the present age of Ramesh and Anand are in the ratio of 5:4. There is a two persons are there who is the ratio of 5:4. 3 years hence, that means hence means always considered after. The ratio of their ages will become 11:9 respectively. What is the Anand's present age in years? In this scenario, let us consider the percentage of Ramesh and Anand. As per the issue problem, it is 5:4. Then you consider it as Ramesh is nothing but 5x and Anand as 4x. In this problem, this is given as 3 years hence. Then what will it will become? 5x after 3 years means 5x plus 3. And for Anand's age, it becomes 4x plus 3. The ratio given as 11:9. That is nothing but 11/9. Whenever this such type of problem, arriving the formula itself gives the solution. That understanding the problem in a systematic way will give the right approach to the problem solving skills, and you will get the problem at a quicker time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Let's move to the concept wise theory. After solving this one, if you cross multiply this one, this 9 into 5x plus 3 is equal to 11 into 4x plus 3. This is nothing but 45x plus 21 is equal to 27 is equal to 44x plus 33. Ultimately, the x will be 6, as x is the constant of multiplication factor in between 5x and 4x. At present, what is the problem in this question has been asked is, what is the age of Anand? That means Anand present age is, as we have considered, it is 4x. That means 4 into x. X already we have arrived. 4 into 6 nothing but 24 years. The answer is C. Let's move to the sixth one. In 6 years ago, the ratio of the ages of Kumar and Srinivas was 6:5. 4 years hence, the ratio of their ages will be 11:10. What is the it is a Sagar's age at present. In this one, this is similar to the last problem. Let us consider the age of Kumar and Srinivas or 6 years ago. It is actually as 6 years ago. It is as 6:5. Then that means it is 6x and 5x. In this problem, this is not Sagar. This is nothing but Srinivas. This is Srinivas. Consider as Srinivas. As per the problem, let the ages will be considered as Kumar and Srinivas 6 years ago or 6x and 5x respectively. That means it is considered as 6x. It is in the problem, it is considered as 4 years hence. That means after 4 years, that is 6x plus 6, it becomes as 6x plus 6. Like that, the Srinivas also, it becomes 5x plus 6. The ratio of their ages will be 11:10. When it is 4 years hence, that means it should be after 4 years. That means after 6 plus after 4. You are adding with 4 also in this formula. The ratio is given as 11:10. That formula is 6x plus 6 plus 4 divided by 5x plus 6 plus 4 is equal to 11:1. The arriving this formula by understanding the problem decides your skills of understanding the problem itself. If you cross multiply this one, the formula becomes 10 into 6x plus 10 is equal to 11 into 5x plus 10. Ultimately 5x is equal to 10 and x is 2. Then as per the problem, what is the Srinivas age at present? Srinivas age is at present is 5x plus 6. Srinivas present age is 5x plus 6, nothing but 5 into 2 plus 6 is equal to 16. 16 years is the answer. D is our choice of answer. Coming to the final question, a man is 24 years older than his son. For example, his son is 10 years, the father will be 34 years. You have to add with the man's age. In 2 years, his age will be twice the age of his son, the present age of his son. In this scenario, we will consider as per the problem, the son's age, let us consider is as x years. What may be the man's present age? That is nothing but x plus 24. That already the problem given as 24 years older than his son. Already we have considered son's age as x, then the man's age becomes x plus 24 years. As per the formula, in 2 years, maybe in 2 years means after 2 years, the formula becomes x plus 2 into x plus 24. X plus 24 is the man's present age, which is after 2 years means plus 2 years becomes his age will be twice the age of the son. Twice means 2 times age of the son. That means 2 into what we have considered x plus 2. Why? Because x is already considered as this one. After 2 years, that's why it is added with x plus 2. That formula becomes x plus 24 plus 2 is equal to 2 into x plus 2. That is x plus 26 equivalent to 2x plus 4, and x is 22. The problem answer is D. Yeah, we have come to an end of this session 1. Finally, we are closing with a synopsis of this some basic concepts which are useful and you can memorize to get the best quicker method in solving such type of ages problems. The synopsis are the some formulas related to problems. If we are assuming the current age of x, then the age after n years will be, this is nothing but x plus 1, because if you consider 10, the after 10 years of age, it may be 10 plus 10, it is 20 years. Because if you remember this formula, you can easily substitute based on the problem solution. If you are assuming the current age to be x, then the age before n years, it will become as x minus n years. If the age given in the form of a ratio in the problem itself, for example, if it is p is to q, then the age shall be considered as qx and px, where you have seen the problems, such problems in 6 and 7. If you are assuming the current age to be x, then n times the current age will be x into n. If you want to any detailed video on this concept, please comment. We can prepare a best video to understand the concepts in a systematic way. Finally, if you are assuming the current age to be x, then 1/n of the age shall be equal to x by n years. The above tricks will be very useful to crack the competitive exams. Thank you watching. Thank you once again.